guys, it's me, Terry of the Yarnjoy podcast. Welcome to the last segment of our fall graph along. Okay, so maybe you notice I have something new on my wall back here. Doesn't it look great? I think it looks great. Let me go get it and I'll bring it up here and then I'll show you how I put everything together. Okay, so this is what I did to put it all together. I took the 3 squares or panels that we just got finished making, okay, and separately I took this dark brown color, so whatever color you want for your border, and I did a single crochet all along the edges all the way around each piece, and I put 3 single crochets in each corner, okay, that helps turn the corner, okay. So I did that to all 3 pieces, the same border color, okay? And then, after I did that, I took that same color for the border and I stitched them, I put them in the order that I wanted, and then I used a mattress stitch and I sewed the pieces together, okay? I sewed down this side, well, I sewed these 2 pieces together using the mattress stitch, or you can use a whip stitch, or however you want to get the pieces together that makes them lie flat. The mattress stitch works quite well, and I can link below how I did that stitch, okay? A video clip of this mattress stitch, okay? And then, so I did this seam there, and I put these 2 together, and then I did it down this side to get the long piece connected to this piece, okay? So I did that. And then I took the border pattern, the border, and I single crocheted all the way around, okay, with 3 single crochets in each corner. So that kind of united them all together, okay? So I did that. Next, I made these tabs, okay? And the tabs, the way I did that, and I will have the exact written instructions on how I did this on the last page of the PDF file where all the charts are located, okay? But anyway, I chained 25. Let me look on my notes here. Okay, I'm sorry. I chained 24, and then I did 4 rows just back and forth of half double crochets. I did when I came to the end of the row, I chained 2, turned my work, and then I went half double crochet back down the side. And I did it until I had 4 rows, okay? And then I folded the piece in half to make this loop, okay, make the tab. I folded it in half, and then I used some of the border color in my yarn needle, and I just stitched them on there evenly spaced across. I made 3 of them, okay, and that is for my dowel rod. I had my husband cut the dowel rod for me, and he just cut it the length of the width of the piece, okay. And then the one last thing that I did is well, before inserting the stick though, of course, I wet it and I did block my piece to get the edges more straight. I pinned it out and blocked it, laid it out, blocked it overnight, got it as straight as I could on the edges and let it dry that way, okay? And then after that, I purchased, well, I had to go purchase it because I didn't have any, but I went and got some felt. And I found this, I thought I was going to have to use the felt craft squares that you can buy for $1 or whatever it is. But I went to my local Walmart, and the only felt that they had, it was in these 1 yard pre-cut pieces, and so that was fine. I have plenty of it left over to be able to make more in the future. So anyway, I just hand stitch with a needle and thread. I hand stitched all the way around the edges. This helps reinforce it, so when you're going to hang it up against the wall, it will lie a whole lot flatter, okay? And then as far as hanging, now I'm going to be hanging it on my pegboard, just like I showed you in the beginning, on some hooks, and so the dowel rod works really well with that. Now, you don't have to do that. If you're going to hang it on the wall, you can either use some hooks, like a little cup holder, mug holder hooks. If you don't want to put hooks in your wall, then you could also use a ribbon, get a ribbon, and you could use a coordinating color with whatever colors that you chose for your piece, and then tie them on each end, knot them and tie them on each end, okay, to make a big loop this direction, however long, however much you want it to hang down, okay, and then you can hang that from like a nail or however you want to hang it on the wall. But anyway, that is my fall wall hanging. Cut that out. So that's my fall wall hanging. I'm going to, I enjoyed this. Oh God. So this is my fall wall hanging. I enjoyed this project so much, and I'm so happy that you decided to go along with me on this project. I hope you are able to learn how to read and do corner to corner stitch with a graph. I hope it helped you. I really enjoy doing it. You can make some awesome looking projects, and I will be very anxiously awaiting to see pictures of anybody that decided to make this project with me. Please go over to the Facebook group and post pictures so then we can all see everybody's colors and things that they decided to use for their project. And also you can hashtag on Instagram fall graph along, and we can all go over there, and if you're not on Facebook, and we can share our pictures on Instagram as well. So thanks so much for going along with me on this journey and making my very first pattern I've ever designed. So I appreciate all of you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.